What's up everybody, Jordan here, back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my grooming gear essentials and what I have in my toiletry kit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications if you haven't already. Yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, yeah, so I'm using this canvas, like old school style toiletry kit. You can really use this for anything, whether it's tech stuff or as a toiletry kit or whatever else you can think of. It's got two pockets, so one in the front and then one in the back, and then it's got really good quality zippers as well, two per side, so that's what they look like. And then there's also a carry handle as well, so you can hook it on the door or just kind of carry it like that, however you want. And then so in this first pocket is where I keep my soap and cologne and that sort of thing. So I've got Everyman Jack body wash. This is really good. This is the sea salt scent. I'm using this for a while, really good stuff. And then this I just started testing today as I'm recording this. This is from Bath & Body Works, from their men's line. So this is the single barrel bourbon scent. This is their hair, face, and body wash. Used it this morning, works pretty well. Not too stripping, so probably use it every day. And it's a 10 ounce bottle. Really nice labels as well. The scent's really good too. And then we got beard wash, which is also the single barrel bourbon by Bath & Body Works. This is a 4 ounce, so pretty good size, especially for travel. And then we got the single barrel bourbon body spray. I just bought all this stuff recently because they had a sale happening, so just like a spray deodorant, like body spray. That's a 3.7 ounce spray can. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And then we've got their beard and scruff cream in single barrel bourbon scent. This is a 4 ounce. And then next we got this Alpine cologne. This is by Blue Notes. Nice clear bottle. It's like kind of a woodsy sort of scent, but still like not quite as like heavy forest, but yeah, it's a nice kind of lighter scent, good sized bottle as well. And we got extra toothpaste. This is a fluoride free one that I use by Tom's of Maine. Keep that in there as well, just as a backup to my main one. And then this is my charger for my toothbrush because I use an electric toothbrush. And we got the Hairy Shave Gel, which I use every once in a while to line up my cheeks and then under my neck. Had this for a while, works pretty well. Definitely recommend that. I got some extra blades for my razor that I use, which is also by Harry's. Pop that open. Got one left right now, so I'm gonna have to buy a new case of these soon, but definitely a good option. And I've got the Educated Beards boar hair brush, which I use for my beard. Nice and lightweight, but high quality as well. And that's the first pocket. And then the second pocket is where I keep my other stuff. So Dr. Squatch Pine Tar, like more traditional deodorant. I use this one quite often. Really good scent, very woodsy. And then we got the single barrel bourbon 1.5 ounce beard oil, coconut oil. Tested that today for the first time and feels pretty good so far. Not too thick, not too greasy. Definitely a good option. I got my electric toothbrush, which is by Braun. Probably gonna get a nicer one at some point soon because this one's kind of basic, but does the job. And we got a nice wooden comb from EDC Beard Co. Really good comb, not too rough on your beard. It comes with a really nice leather case. And this is the other toothpaste that I've been using, also fluoride free. And this is more razors, also by Harry's. And we got my Harry's razor. This is the orange handle with the replaceable blades. And we got Old Spice paste with beeswax for my hair. Nice light to medium hold, works pretty well. And we've got Beard Brothers little small boar hair brush for mainly for my sideburns, but I usually pass through my whole beard with it at least once or twice in the morning. Great brush, I've had this for a while, definitely recommend it. And then we've got a Mudcat Whiskers Chicago comb. I've had this for a few years. They sent it out to me when I did a unboxing of their stuff. Great comb, nice and lightweight, works really well. I've used this quite often for a long time. We got some nail clippers, so a little small set and a bigger set. A little nail file, which I don't use, but just lives in there with the other stuff. And then some dental floss, which, yeah, got that as well. And yeah, and that's everything that I keep in this toiletry kit. So, a lot of stuff. We got 24 items that all fit in this one toiletry case. A lot of stuff. Yeah, let me know what you keep in your toiletry kit or what some of your favorite grooming products are. And leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.